If your CleanView is making excessive noise, there could be a few reasons for this. The following tips may help resolve the issue. You may be using the incorrect height adjustment. Adjust to the correct height setting. The hose may not be attached to the suction opening. Grasp the hose wand and firmly push into the hose wand base. Check the hose for any cracks or holes. You may be hearing excessive noise because your filters are dirty. To clean them, watch our Cleaning Filters video. A damaged brush roll could also be the problem. To fix, first make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Lay the vacuum flat and turn it over so the brush roll is facing up. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that keep the brush roll access plate in place. Remove the plate. Once removed, grab the brush and lift it straight out. Clean off any debris that may be on the brush roll. Put the brush roll on its end and spin it. It should spin freely multiple times with one flick. If it doesn't, it needs to be replaced. This is also a good time to inspect the belt. If you see a lot of wear or any cuts, you should replace it. Replace the clean brush roll and belt by looping the belt over the motor shaft and the brush roll. Line up the end caps and pull the brush roll forward into place. This stretches the belt. You can now replace the bottom cover and reinsert the 6 screws. If your vacuum is still making noise once it's back together and you've tried all the fixes, visit a BISSELL authorized service center or contact us.